going in. Let go. Life's a virtue. Don't let life hurt you. Yeah, these haters cursed you.
Hello, I'm Elrich Mabry of Midnight Sun Designs, and today I'm here with Carrie, and we're going to do a fruit makeup today.
Hi, I'm Carrie. My Instagram is GET_SU, 3 M's, and then another underscore, and it's my last name, MOORE. My phone number and my email is also on my Instagram page.
All right, and I'll have also links below. Make sure you holler at my main man Mustafa for this nice beat. His link will be below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram under MidnightSun_Designs. Scroll through, like some pictures, leave a comment. Let me know you like my work. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell to get notified of my latest videos. Check out more random videos over there. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.
I'm going in. Let go. Life's a virtue.